Osukwini lwesithathu lokutakula bangaphezulu kwama-20 ozamazama abebesaphila okushone ilanga sebetakuliwe. Isibalo sezidumbu silokhu senyuke njalo. Sezingaphezulu kwama-70 esezitakuliwe kulezi insuku ezintathu kuqalile ukutakula. Ngenxa yokwenyuka kwenani lezidumbu, uhulumeni usengeze ngeloli ezimotweni ezilanda izidumbu.
I do believe that there is definitely a shortage of the services. We can just assume with all these vehicles that are driving in from Gauteng that they cannot cope with the amount of bodies.
ISANCO ithi lokhu bekungagwemeka.
This is a genocide and something that could have been prevented because we as SANCO made contacts with the state immediately when everything started, but no one took us seriously.
Kulabo abaphuma bephila bayahlolwa ukuthi abaliphethe yini igolide. Okwamanje bane asebetholakale ukuthi baliphethe baboshwa.
When they are retrieved, they are processed by the SAPS, they are cleared. We do have metal detectors that can determine if they are in possession of any gold-bearing material.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe wamaphoyisa lithi okwenzekayo emayini iStilfontein akusona isibonelo esihle. Kukhona okusina kulijeqeza lelizwe.
We are setting a wrong precedence to say people can get under the ground to do illegal mining, get all the money and everything, and then we will then come and rescue them as government, or people will come and say they are human rights, humanities, and then take us to court on illegal things. So next time I can tell you, it's going to come out from somewhere, and the very same people will be taking us to court, and then there will be a chaos in this country.
Ukutakula kulindeleke ukuthi kuqhubeke namhlanje kuze kube sebusuku. Izinhlangano zomphakathi zinethemba lokuthi uhlelo lokutakula luzobe seliphothuliwe ngoLwesihlanu.
If we work with the pace that we work with yesterday, we'll finish extracting bodies today. If the pace is faster and the weather permits. In terms of the bodies, they estimate that by Friday will be done. If we compare with the pace that we were using yesterday.
Mithathu iminyango kahulumeni eqaphe lolu hlelo kuyokukhona nowezasekhaya. Ukutakula kuhlelwe ukuba kuphothulwe ezinsukwini eziyishumi.